Hi, in this English grammar lessons series of tenses, today we'll compare simple past and past perfect tense. There are individual separate lessons on both of these tenses in this series. If you have already watched them, it's good and you will find it easy to compare them. And if you haven't, then you can watch them after this to have a detailed view of the two. Both of these tenses talk about the past but in different ways. Let's compare them. Simple past tense talks about the events of the past, whereas past perfect tense talks about past of the past. Let me remind you, there are three forms of verb. They are first, second and third form. They are also known as present, past and past participle. Coming back, the structure of simple past is subject plus second form of verb, and its example is he finished. Here, the action is completed in the past. The structure of past perfect is subject plus had plus third form of verb. Here, had is an auxiliary verb. Example is he had finished. Look at the sentence formation of these two tenses. In simple past, with all the subjects I, you, he, she, it, we or they, we use second form of the verb. Here it is started or went, where started is a regular verb and went is an irregular verb. Let's recall the forms of verb. There are two forms of verb, that is regular and irregular. Regular verbs are those which follow a fixed pattern of their D or ED endings in their second and third forms, whereas irregular verbs don't have any fixed pattern. Coming back, examples of some positive sentences in simple past are I started, she started, we went, they went. Negative sentences are he didn't start, we didn't start. Here we can see the first form of verb with did. So remember, whenever there is did in the sentence, always use first form of the verb. And its interrogative forms are did he start, did you start, etc. In past perfect tense, the positive sentences are I had started, she had started, we had gone, they had gone. Negative sentences are he hadn't started, she hadn't started, they hadn't started. And interrogative sentences are like had she started, had they started, etc. Let's compare the short answers of the two tenses. In simple past, if the question is, did you arrive yesterday? Answer is, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Here, didn't is a contraction which is formed of two words, did and not. In past perfect, if the question is, had she finished her homework? Answer is, yes, she had, or no, she hadn't. Again, hadn't is a contraction here, which is formed of had and not. Note that contractions are only used in negative short answers. Now, usage of two tenses. Simple past tense is used to give past events in the order in which they occurred. For example, he ate breakfast and went to his office. And past perfect tense is used to look back from a certain time in the past to tell what had happened first. Example is, before he went to his office, he had eaten breakfast. To be more clear, look at this timeline. There are two actions taking place in the past. One is at 8:30 p.m. and the other is at 8:45 p.m. The first action is the film started and the other is we arrived. Both are in simple past tense. If we want to show which action started first, we will write in past perfect tense like this. The film had started before we arrived, or before we arrived, the film had started. Simple past tense is used for two actions happening at the same time in the past. For example, Sam left the party when she came. Here, both actions happened at the same time. While past perfect tense is used for two actions which happen at different times in the past. For example, Sam had left the party when she came. Here, Sam left first and she came later. Sam had already left the party when she came. It's time to practice what you have learned so far. There are two sentences in past tense in each part, and you have to form a single sentence from them to show which action took place first. And this sentence will be in past perfect tense. Number 1, the train left. It is an earlier action. I arrived at the station. Here, past perfect tense will be used with the action which took place first. So the sentence is, the train had left before I arrived at the station. Number 3, she left the room. It is an earlier action. The police arrived. Here, using past perfect with the earlier action, the sentence is, before the police arrived, she had left the room. Now, form the remaining sentences and then match your answers here. That's all for this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe. Bye.